And earlier when I said the Skar is 2 ohms on each side, my mistake. I meant 4 ohms, dual 4 ohms. Okay, so I'm running mine at 2 ohms on my sub. So if you look right here, 5.4 point whatever, you're at 4 ohms, and that's 4 ohms on each side. So what I do is already made me a jumper. Positive, positive. Negative, negative. Positive, positive. And right there. I usually use the white wire. I like that. I've been doing that forever. So the white wire, positive, positive, 2, positive, negative, negative. Remember we had 4 ohms. Now I'm connecting. It's dropping down to, there we go, 2 ohms. There you go. It's going to make this. It's going to take the system's going to take a lot more power. You know, it's going to feed better with the amp that I'm doing, because I have a 2 ohm amp, and it's a 2 ohm and a 4 ohm, but I like to run mono block 2 ohms. All right, there you go.